Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay in Jamaica. First, make sure your Apple device is running the most current software. Then, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Tap the plus sign to begin adding a new credit or debit card. You will need to follow the simple on-screen prompts and verify your card with your bank. This quick setup ensures your payment method is ready for secure transactions. Before using Apple Pay, it's important to confirm that your local bank supports this service for cards issued in Jamaica. Once your card is set up, look for the Apple Pay logo or the universal contactless payment symbol at checkout. Many businesses, including large supermarkets, popular restaurants, and various retail stores, are equipped with NFC-enabled terminals. If you are unsure, simply ask the merchant if they support contactless payments before you complete your purchase. Making a payment with Apple Pay is quick and secure. If you are using an iPhone, simply double-click the side button and authenticate with either Face ID or Touch ID. For Apple Watch users, double-click the side button and hold the watch face near the payment terminal. Keep your device close to the reader until you see a check mark on the screen, indicating a successful transaction. You will also feel a gentle vibration. Apple Pay offers robust security features to protect your financial information. Your actual card number is never stored on your device, nor is it shared with the merchant during a transaction. Instead, a unique, encrypted transaction-specific code is used for every purchase. Always ensure your device's security features, such as Face ID or Touch ID, are active. Regularly review your bank statements for any unusual activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.